2006 Rendezvous. The Buick Rendezvous is easy to like with solid engineering, useful flexibility, and a handsome appearance. Rendezvous is what the industry calls a crossover vehicle. It blurs the lines between sport utilities, minivans, luxury sedans, and station wagons. It carries people more efficiently than an SUV, and it drives more like a minivan than a truck, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, hands-free communication, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, security system, child safety locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.